We know that it can be time-consuming to find accurate specification information, and sometimes it's hard to come by or out of date. That's why we created our spec sheets, an easy and efficient way to develop comprehensive specifications for your projects with thousands of products to choose from. Any spec sheet you create can be easily found on your home feed, or from any page on Archify by hovering over the user menu in the top right-hand corner. Your spec sheet page is where all your pre-created spec sheets will be stored and can be sorted by date created, name, design folder, number of products added, and gives you 3 action options which are to download, edit, or delete. From this page, you can also create a new spec sheet. When creating a new spec sheet, you will be asked to create a name and allocate it to an existing design folder. You can add additional notes and details on the top left or top right-hand side of the screen to customize your spec sheet. This could be client information, project details like address, size, design brief, budget, etc. By clicking the Add Product button, you can search the Archify database for any keyword, product type, company, or brand. Click on any of your search results to add it to your spec sheet. All associated product information will also be added, including general specification, size, technical, and certification information. You can also upload a product to your spec sheet if it is not available on Archify. Simply add a photo of the image and associated specification, size, technical, and certification information. By clicking Add Image Reference, you can upload additional images, 3D perspectives, interior or exterior images, etc. as reference to show part of the project that uses the selected material. You also have the option to add an annotation note, referencing a number or code used in your architectural drawings for the selected material for your reference. By clicking on the 3 small dots, you have the option of adding a divider to create segments for multiple products and materials within the spec sheet. You can rename each divider into a desired grouping, for example by room names like kitchen and bedroom, or by product categories like flooring and ceiling. From this menu, you also have the option to add a product above or below, or remove it completely. You can expand or collapse any of the products added to your spec sheet to simplify your viewing options. Whatever stage you are at when developing your spec sheet, you have the option to reset all, preview, save, and download. You can also create a spec sheet from any design folder you have created on Archify, or from any mood board.